Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a property-related poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is set to 1080 by 1350. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply a gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Use the gradient tool to adjust the gradient. Go to the Object menu, then Lock and Selection. Go to the Rectangle tool and hold the Shift button to create a square. Apply a black color to it. Use the Direct Selection to select 3 corners and round them. Then change its fill to outline. Change the stroke alignment to inside. Increase the stroke weight. Go to the Object menu and select Expand Appearance. Go to File menu. Choose Place, select your image, and click Place. Adjust the image size as needed. Right-click on it, choose Arrange, and select Send Backward. Select both objects, right-click, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Use the Direct Selection tool to adjust the image. Double-click to enter isolation mode. Click on the Embed button. Go to the Edit menu. Edit colors, then convert to grayscale. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Then apply a gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Select the Type tool and enter your text. Follow my text settings. Hold the Alt key and drag for a copy of the shape. Go to the Reflect tool, set it to horizontal, and click OK. Place it here and draw a rectangle over it. Apply a gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Select both, open the transparency panel, and click on the Make Mask button. Adjust the gradient. Follow my additional text settings. Place the related PNGs into the design. Then follow the placement process. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply a blue color to it. Change its blend mode to overlay and set the opacity to 50%. Now you can change its color with a single click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.